Let's see what's doing. Oh, look at that. 0745 have a heart set off. A little mouse in there. Got another one, the 0745 have heart. This one might actually be a small rat. A lot of my traps have been set off and with nothing to show for it, and I suspect that means that mice are around. So maybe with the change in the weather, maybe because the temperatures are getting cooler, the rats are burrowing more and they're not as active as they have been, but there's definitely a lot of traces of mice. So I haven't checked the ivy in a while, and I noticed that I was missing a lot of catches there. I found a lot of empty traps, and I set my night camera there for the first time just to see what was going on. Let's take a look at the footage and see if we've actually caught anything. Amazing how active that ivy is, huh? It's the first time I've ever put a camera there. This has been my go-to spot, and it's been so dead lately, at least I haven't caught anything, that I moved the camera from here to the ivy just to see what was going on. And it's not like I haven't been trying. I actually missed a bunch of rats here lately. I don't know, it's because I changed the peanut butter. I mean, these are the traps that I've been using. Maybe they're getting old, and maybe all the joints are getting a little rough and weak, and you know, the trigger mechanism isn't working as well as it has in the past. Or maybe I'm just getting outsmarted by rodents, but it just hasn't been working. So I think I'm going to be leaving this camera, or at least my night camera, out in the ivy more, and at least I remove some mice from the ecosystem around here. Less threats to those little vermins, tearing up the house and getting into the spaces that we live. Well, at least we're not going away empty-handed. We got a juvenile rat, the live catch 0745 rat trap, and we got a couple mice and the Tomcat Rat Traps. I really suspected that those mice were the ones stealing the bait, and my suspicions were confirmed with that awesome night camera footage. Now, these traps are super sensitive, so when setting them, please be careful, because obviously, even if you're a mouse, they're going to get you.